Welcome to J&J Auto Contest video of S8DG446. We have got a 2008 Dodge Charger SRT8. A little bit higher mileage unit, but seems to be pretty well taken care of. 6.1 Hemi car, dark slate blue, absolutely filthy. This thing came from Florida and unfortunately rode on an open transport. Let's go ahead and fire it up. It's got a tune on it, we can tell just by how it's running. What's up, kitty cat? All right, come on, girl. IAA went ahead and just made these keys absolutely flipping impossible. All right, check tire pressure monitoring system. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, these cars are going to be the death of me sometimes. Anyways, it has 216,000 miles on it. 6.1 Hemi. Radio's a little smoked. Climate control works well. What's up, kitty? You just hanging out in a Hellcat? Well, it's not a Hellcat. All right, seats are in good condition. LEDs are bumping in the rear. Oh, we might have had a system back there. Like I said though, 6.1 Hemi, running good. We're gonna be selling this as a swap. We'll do a leak down test on it. Check her out. These things are pretty much the bulletproof LS1 of the Hemi world. The 6.1 takes power a lot better than the 6.4 cars. Got a catch can on it. Somebody might have cared. I don't know why they spray painted the valve covers. Give her a couple of revs here. One sounds good. Like I said, it's going to be sold as a swap. We got Brembos on this thing, all sorts of goodies. Yeah, not a whole lot we can test on one of these cars, which is pretty awesome. I guess we can throw the windows down, although we're selling loaded doors. They work. Door mirrors. Let's close the door and check out the passenger side. Oh no, my helper left. Passenger door mirror. I don't know if you can see through the rubble. There it goes. It's working. All right, let's go ahead and shut this thing down. Guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of our 08 Charger SRT8. If you guys are looking for a 6.1 swap, head on over to our website. We've got 2 of them in stock right now. They don't tend to last long. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.